In this video, we will discuss how to format string in Python. String formatting in Python allows you to create dynamic strings by combining variable and values. Here we will see three types of format string: percentage formatting, fstring, and format function. Let's see percentage formatting style. This one is also known as old style string formation. Here I am using three variable: game, pitch length, and pitch width. I'm using the percentage as %d and %f format specifier to tell Python where to substitute the value of game, pitch length, and pitch width. %s is used for specifying string literal. %f is used for specify float literal. %d is used for integer literal. We use here 0.1f. 0.1 represent how many digits are displayed after the decimal point. Let's see new format string. This one is a format function. Python 3 introduced a new way to do string formatting. This new style string formatting gets rid of the percentage operator. Formatting is now handled by calling a format function a string object. So I am taking here name as a variable and object is CertiPY here. Then if I'm talking about syntax is like curly bracket in quotes and followed by dot and format function with variable name. If I'm going to execute this code, at that moment we will get hello CertiPy. Next and last format string is fstring. This is called formatted string literal. Such string are preceded by letter f, indicating that it be formatted when we use variable name between curly bracket. When I'm going to execute this code, at that moment we will get the institute name is CertiPy.